Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a massive grocery haul to share with you, and I'll probably restock the pantry and clean out the fridge so it's all fresh and new so we can have a nice start of the week. So I got a lot of stuff, so let me show you. Alright, so this is all I have. I'm gonna try to put it all on this table. We'll see if everything fits. Alright, so I got everything on the table. So here's toilet paper, some Smirnoff. I haven't tasted these yet, so I don't know if they're any good. Some sparkling water. Here we got some chips, almond milk, chocolate, vanilla, some wine. Then we'll start here, the tomato cans. They're easy to, whenever, you know, throw some spaghetti or something together. Creamer for coffee, chocolate milk. We got some hot dogs, ground beef, chicken thighs, sausages, and some more chicken. We got these beef skewers and some bacon. 2 types of fries, which is straight cut and crinkled cut. 2 packs of bagels. Butter, which butter is now so expensive, it's ridiculous. Cauliflower, pineapple. I'm sorry, I'm French. Pineapple. Mushrooms. A tomato. I have some in my garden, so I only buy one because they're growing. Cucumbers. Cheese sauce for the chip, which this one is really good. Strawberries, grapes, oranges, cotton swabs, some little snacks for my little one. I don't know if you'll like these. Some barbecue sauce, and then bread. And then some Mr. Freeze, because it's now summertime. Bananas, some shrimp. I don't remember what these are called. Whatever these are called. 2 things of coffee and some vanilla, French vanilla creamer. And Cheerios. Some shreddies. Honey shreddies. I'll just walk around. Then I got some of these snacks. More snacks. Bear paws. I got 4 boxes because they were on special, and now they're expensive also. So when they're on special, I try to get as much as I can. Some crackers. Sea salt and barbecue. Then I got some of these tea cookies, which are good. Some Celebration. And some of these maple leaf cookies because they're delicious. Some pizza penguins. Some of these cookie snacks. Juice boxes. Milk. I'm from Canada again, and so we have bagged milk. Brick cheese, marble and brick. And then more cheese slices, and then more cheese, these kinds of cheese, and then some chicken nuggets. So that is my grocery haul. Alright, so here I decided to put away all the freezer and fridge stuff, because from the grocery store to the car to the table, it's been out for quite a while. So I just wanted to get that in the fresh so I don't lose any product. Alright, so the way I went about today is just to take all the stuff that needs to be thrown away out. And I just went from like shelf to shelf. And so I'm gonna wash a shelf and put the stuff back on the shelf. And just keep going like that. Here, I'm just gonna put all the cheese sticks in the bin because it's so much easier just to grab and go. And when I pack lunches, it's easier also in the morning. Now I'm gonna start putting everything back in the door. I try to put it by categories of things like salad dressing, ketchup, mayo, mustard, you know, those kinds of things that go together. You'll see at one point like some bottles are too high, so I had to like switch them up, but you know, that's okay. Alright, so I'm done with the fridge. This is what it's looking like. Nowhere near perfect, like those beautiful fridges everyone has. But at least it's clean. I tried to get rid of a couple things in here, but you know, we need all these stuff, so. This is my fridge, all nice and clean and ready for the week. Alright, so here I forgot to put the drinks in the fridge. So here I am unloading again and then putting the drinks. I put them in the bag since, you know, it is alcohol, so I don't want the kids just grabbing them for no reason. And I put the sparkling water in front of the alcohol so they really cannot get to it. It is just easier that way. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. And then I'll just put the meat back in the fridge again. Also, I did end up putting a LaCroix water, sparkling water, like in a line because the door wouldn't shut. And like my fridge is broken, so every time I would shut the door, like the rack would all... Right, so now we're into the pantry. This is what it's looking like right now. Quite a disaster. So let's make it all better. Alright, so I'm doing the same process with this one, just going shelf by shelf and cleaning off if it's dirty or not. I'm starting with the snack shelf, so I'm gonna clean that off and then start filling the bins with all the snacks. Right now we're headed to the other shelf with all my clear bins. I'm filling up the rice right now because it was empty. Also, you'll see me, I rearranged like a couple times because, you know, I wasn't satisfied how they were sitting. So I did it again. And also, I'm sorry about the camera angle. Like all of you know, my apartment is very small, so filming is kind of a challenge sometimes. So here too, I also rearranged a couple times because I was not satisfied, and like the boxes were too big, so like the bin was hard to like pull out. So, you know, I just rearranged a couple times like I said, and then I got a good result that will work for us. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see the date on this thing, but it says August 2021. So it's like a year old almost. So yeah, when you do your pantries, check your days. They might be expired. All right, we're done. So this is what my pantry is looking like. A lot more stuff. Somewhat organized. There you go. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this pantry, grocery, you know, organizing and cleaning out. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of next video because it's a disaster in here after doing all that. So I'm gonna show you a quick clip of what's to come, but I will be doing it in another video because as usual, I don't have enough memory to do it all in one. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Here's my sneak peek, okay? Here you go. This is what my kitchen is looking like right now. It's a whole mess. And ta-da! So yeah. So my next video, I will be cleaning everything up. Bye guys!